The power cord is a 2-wire, 16-gauge cord. Power cords tend to receive lots of abuse. The cord can be cut, nicked, internally damaged, or have the prongs broken off. A damaged cord should be immediately replaced to avoid an electric shock. Replacing the cord is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing 1/2 of the rear handle. The cord is secured to the handle with a cord clamp. I'll remove it next. Now remove the wire connections. The white wire attaches to this terminal block. I'll unscrew the screw that clamps the wire in place, and then I can pull the wire out of the terminal block. The black wire attaches directly to the switch. I'll pull the switch from the housing, and now I can remove the black wire. With the wires disconnected, now I can pull the strain relief from the cord. Now I can begin installing the new cord. First, I'll cut the wire leads to length. I'll use the old cord as a template. The black wire needs an eyelet installed. I'll go ahead and do that next. To install the eyelet, I'll strip back about 1/4 inch of insulation. I'll twist the wires, and now I can crimp on a new eyelet. I'll also need to strip back the insulation on the white wire, in this case about 3/8 of an inch. And again I'll twist the wires. Now I can place the strain relief back over the wires. And the cord is ready for installation. First, I'll reinstall the black wire. I'll place the switch back into the housing, making sure that I properly route the wires through the openings in the housing so none of the wires get pinched. Now the white wire. I'll insert it back into the terminal block. And clamp it in place with the screw. And the terminal block can go back into the housing. Now I'll place the strain relief back into the housing. Tuck the wires out of the way And I'll make sure I have enough of the black cord insulation inside the cord clamp. And secure it with the clamp. One last check of the wires, make sure everything's out of the way so it won't get pinched, and I'll reinstall the handle half. I'll line the handle and then secure it with the screws. And now you know how to install a new power cord on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.